Welcome to the Indiana Farmer.
Hello everybody, I'm the Indiana Farmer and thank you for joining. Make sure you hit that subscribe button and why don't you push that like. I am here today with Caleb and he is showing me something very, very cool, something I've always been interested in, drones. So if you saw the footage from the NH3 episode, you saw that upshot, that was Caleb that did it. So I thought I'd grab him today and we're just gonna kind of see how this all works. Hello Caleb, how are you?
Good, how are you?
I am very good. So what got you interested in dronage?
Oh, just getting another view of the crop is just another great way to scout out on your fields. There's a lot of different options you can do with it. You can get a population count and you can see what kind of weeds are growing out there. Just the height of the corn, where it's falling down. So you have a lot of options and you can use it all season long.
Has this been pretty popular in the farming community, at least around here?
It's really starting to pick up. Every one of our customers that we have, they're really eager to see it. They want to see it out in their fields. They want to do stand counts with it. They want to be in with the truck watching the camera to see what's going on out there, to see the weeds.
Oh, cool.
We got a couple guys trying to make fungicide decisions based off it, see how much of the field's tasseling, and go from there. It's pretty simple.
Yeah.
This is your generic controller that comes with it. You can hook into your phone. There's a plug there, so this holds your phone in. You can also hook in through with your iPad. You just plug in right down there. Simple joystick control buttons on off.
Oh,
this is the money maker, the drone. So it collapses. It's very portable. It just folds down like that. You can see how much it collapses down. But your camera's right here. You got a couple sensors around.
So what other features does it have on it?
So I mean, as far as the drone goes, there's not an incredible amount of features. It's more through the programs that we're running.
Okay.
Those programs have selected the drone that we have. There's two options, the Mavic 2 and the Mavic Pro.
Okay.
And it's just based off the camera and everything else that's running off that drone that those programs work with it.
So how long does a battery last?
About 24 minutes.
Okay.
Depending on wind conditions and how fast you're going.
So is it automatic or can you put it on a flight pattern?
You can do a flight pattern for stand counts and you can do a flight pattern for field imaging.
Now you're gonna see my big drowned out there.
Am I?
Awesome. So where do you see drones being the most beneficial to farmers?
So early on, it's really beneficial for replant decisions. You can quickly figure out if you got a crappy stand or not.
Okay.
You can also make decisions like fungicide late in the season. You can do some mapping and see, there's a low spot in this part of the field, what's going on there. You can go out there and check that out for yourself. And it helps a lot with water. You can see where the water's moving based off how the plants are growing.
Well, that's it for me today. Thank you once again for watching. And hey, Caleb, thank you for joining me. We'll see you later. Take care.